Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the AWS roadmap. First, define your career aspirations, whether it's development, operations, or architecture, to guide your learning. Next, focus on core AWS services such as EC2 for compute, S3 for storage, and VPC for networking. These foundational components are crucial for understanding the AWS ecosystem. Leverage free resources like AWS Skill Builder and official documentation to build a strong base. Once you have a basic understanding, dive deeper into core services. For compute, explore EC2 instances and serverless AWS Lambda functions. For storage, understand the differences between S3, EBS, and various RDS database options. Networking is key, so master VPC configurations and DNS management with Route 53. Hands-on practice is essential for solidifying these concepts. After building a strong foundation, consider specializing in an area that aligns with your interests, such as machine learning, security, or data analytics. Pursuing an AWS certification is an excellent way to validate your expertise and boost your career. The Solutions Architect Associate certification is often recommended as a great first step, covering a broad range of essential services. The AWS landscape evolves rapidly, so continuous learning is vital. Regularly check for new service announcements and feature updates. Engage with the vibrant AWS community through forums, meetups, and online groups to share knowledge and learn from others. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep experimenting with new services and building projects to reinforce your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.